Imagine this. You step into a dark room, the air thick with anticipation, your senses heightened as you try to make out what's inside. In the center, a glowing brain pulses with electric energy, casting strange shadows on the walls, almost as if it's alive and thinking. Now, watch as an entire warehouse fills with blinking servers, the heart of a supercomputer. The hum of cooling fans and the flicker of LEDs fill the space with a sense of relentless calculation. We've built machines to simulate intelligence, to crunch numbers at blinding speeds. But the most powerful computer in the known universe isn't made of silicon. It's inside your head. It's a 3-pound marvel, more mysterious than any machine we've ever created. Quick fact, the human brain can perform about 1 quadrillion operations per second. That's 1,000 trillion. And it does this while using less power than a light bulb, running on just about 20 watts of energy. Numbers like that put even the world's fastest supercomputers to shame, at least in some ways. Supercomputers need entire buildings and massive cooling systems just to keep up, while your brain does it all quietly, right between your ears. But let's dig deeper. It's not just about raw speed, it's flexibility. Your brain can switch from solving a math problem to feeling joy, from remembering a childhood song to inventing a new idea, all in a heartbeat. Your brain? It rewires itself, forms new connections every second, repairs damage, and adapts instantly to whatever life throws at you. This ability, called neuroplasticity, means you're never truly stuck. You can always learn, grow, and change. Supercomputers? They stick to their programming, crunching data, following instructions to the letter. They can't improvise or heal themselves if something goes wrong. They need human engineers for that. But your brain? It processes life. It takes in sights, sounds, emotions, and experiences, weaving them together into the story of you. Think about it. You can learn a new language, solve a puzzle, or even recover from an injury, all while your brain lights up in a dynamic, ever-changing dance. Every new skill you pick up, every memory you make, is a testament to your brain's incredible adaptability. And it never stops. Even when you're asleep, your brain is busy, sorting memories, solving problems, and dreaming up new worlds. Let's put it to the test. Picture a split screen. On one side, a human solves a Rubik's Cube. On the other, an AI solves equations at lightning speed. The computer might win at calculations, but the human brings creativity, intuition, and emotion to the table. Sure, the supercomputer might outpace you in raw math, but can it feel? Can it imagine? Can it dream, create art, tell stories, or fall in love? These are the things that make us human, and no machine has ever truly captured them. Machines calculate, but they don't create memories, or smile at music, or laugh at a joke. They don't feel nostalgia when they see an old photo, or joy when they hear their favorite song. Your brain handles emotion, logic, creativity, movement, memory, all at the same time. It's a symphony of activity, with billions of neurons firing in perfect harmony. No machine in existence comes close to that kind of multitasking. Even the most advanced AI can only focus on one thing at a time, and it needs tons of data just to get started. So here's the bottom line. Your brain isn't just a computer. It's a living, breathing, feeling part of you, shaped by your experiences and your dreams. It's a masterpiece of evolution, an organic supernetwork, pulsing with life and capable of things we've barely begun to understand. Every thought, every feeling, every idea is a spark in this incredible network. Take a second to appreciate the supercomputer you carry with you every day. It's you. You're more powerful, more creative, and more adaptable than any machine ever built. If you just realized how insanely powerful your brain really is, hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more mind-bending truths. Let's celebrate the wonders of the human mind together. And tell me, what do you think the brain can do that AI never will? Share your thoughts below, and let's start a conversation about what makes us truly unique. I'll see you in the next one.